Hey guys, welcome back to the Sparkplug TV YouTube channel. We decided that this time I'll go ahead and make a proper video here. As you see here, I bought some headlight lenses for the old Cateye because, I mean, come on, those don't look great. But this is probably one of the most simple car modifications that beginners can do. It's super easy. You only need a few tools 9 times out of 10. And in my case, this is all I need. A couple pairs of pliers to do the quick connect fittings for the, I'll just show you here. For these little L's right here, I just got to quick connect splice them in. So, I mean, there's really not all that much prep that goes into it, so let's get to work here. Obviously, the first thing I need to do is pop open the hood and pull the old headlights out, so let's go ahead and do that. On older Silverados, what holds the headlights in is either one or multiple of these little brackets, so don't lose them. And from there, I should just be able to pull this headlight out. I'm just going to go ahead and pop the bulbs because it's easier. Look at that. Look at that old housing. That looks disgusting. So the same on this side. Pull it out. There she goes. Pop the bulbs. Toss the housing. Super easy. Now, these bottom ones here are held in by this tab. So, pressure tab, and then this just holds it in place. So all you have to do is reach down onto the outside side of your headlight and just kind of tap it, especially if you're not reusing the lens. Or you can be He-Man and just pull them out. Now sadly, I do not have any replacement bulbs for these bottom ones, for these bottom connections at the moment. So those will be coming later. So I'm not going to bother with the little O-rings for the lights. I will do that whenever I purchase new lights. And we'll just go ahead and rip this bottom one out over here. Oh, really? There we go. Solve that problem. Now, for those little marker lights on the sides of the new ones, they provide you with these quick connect clips, which is actually what you'll need the pliers for, is to put those on. So what you'll do is you'll take this one here, and you'll take your positive negative wire off the ballast, clamp this on, stick them in. And other than that, it's just plugging in the bulbs from there, and then you're done. So we'll see you whenever I have all of this put back together. All right, guys, I got them put in. Let's see here. I noticed I have a blinker light out, which that's all right because I'm buying new bulbs anyway. And I couldn't get the little L's to work, so I guess I'm gonna have to have Alex or Jonathan come out and help me check that out and figure out what's going on with that. But other than that, the truck looks great. It looks immaculate with this. And I think it's really gonna tie it all together once I get those DRLs running, but LEDs in the bottom. But I mean, it's already significantly brighter. And they were pretty dull to begin with. It was kind of scary to drive at night. But that is probably one of the... It would be the easiest way to upgrade your car to make it look more for you, I should say. Because I mean, I prefer the L-shaped DRLs on the Cateyes. I'm not a big fan of the C's, the U's, or the O's. And for those of you who don't know, the C comes up on top just over the low beam. The U's just go up, down. They go starting from the top left corner, down, over, and back up, but they don't come across the top, and the O's are all the way around. I prefer the L's. I just think they look the best, but that's for everyone else to decide on their own terms. Not for me to decide to tell you that, hey, you have to do this, because you don't. That's the beauty about building your car, is you build it for you. Just build it for you. But other than that, guys, I will see you on the next episode or the next episode of the podcast, which should be dropping soon.